Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shandy and today I'm just going to be showing you guys a little trick that my best friend taught me that he does not remember teaching me, which is kind of funny. But what I'm going to be showing you guys is a trick on how to get your inner corner shadows to pop more, to look more bright. I know when I do this trick it kind of looks like I've edited my photos to make my inner corner look super bright, but that's just how it looks in person because of this simple trick. But before I get into all of that, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the bell button, which are both down below, so you won't miss out on any videos like this one. So for this video, I'm just gonna do a pink inner corner because I don't think I've ever done that before. And I think it might be a little cute. So what you want to make your inner corner pop more is a concealer that's way brighter than your skin tone. This color is pure beige. You're also gonna need two brushes. I prefer a small blending brush. This one is the Morphe M507 or a small duo fiber brush. This one to put the concealer on and this one to blend out the eyeshadow. So the idea behind this is it kind of works as like a primer. After you blend it out, it's just going to provide a lighter base to make your eyeshadow pop more. I know a lot of people do this all over their lid to make their colored shadows look much more vivid and bright, but I just feel like a lot of people don't put primer on their inner corner. Like, it's kind of a weird place to put it. So you just want to blend it out as far as you want your eyeshadows to come out. So for me, I kind of want it to like start fading in about right there. So what you'll need next are the eyeshadows you plan to use. I'm going to be using Lena from the Juvia's Place Sahara 2 palette. So let's start out with the side that I do not have the base on. Okay, wow, that's super bright. Okay, that difference is literally night and day. So typically after I add a color into my inner corner, if I'm not already using a shimmery color, I like to add a shimmer on top. What you want to do is spray your face. Ooh, that's gonna get the shimmer to pop more. You can either use the same brush or a different brush. I'm just gonna use a different one. Okay, so while this side looks pretty bright and pretty shimmery, I feel like it does not compare at all to this side. So I'm just gonna turn the lighting down a bit so you guys can actually see. Let's see if this even works. Wow. Yeah, I think you guys can see it. So that's basically it. It's super simple, super easy to do. It doesn't take long at all. If you have any tips to get your shadows super pigmented, let us all know in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in my next video.
Has been said.